All right, thank you for joining us once again. And this is Alan McNabb with lionfirepress.com, and we are doing some tutorials on making a website very quickly in our free network. And the portal for that is lionfirepress.net. And in the last tutorial, we got a very basic website up and going. And we've got a home, about, and then contact, and that's got a contact page on that. And now in this tutorial, what we want to do is get some information over in the sidebar, the right-hand side, and that's a very typical thing to do and very helpful. So let's do that. The first thing we're going to do with this template is we've got to go and we've got to change which of the templates we're using. Now, a lot of times with WordPress themes, a number of different templates will come with it, and this one has 3 of them. And we're going to change from the default to the sidebar template so we can put some widgets over on the right hand side. And so we're going to change to sidebar template. Let's do that with all the pages. All right, what do we do here? We go to the About page, we hover over Quick Edit, and we change the template to sidebar template. And let's do that for all the pages here. And it won't take but just a moment to do that. All right, so now we can go to widgets. That's appearance, widgets, and we can put some of these widgets over in the sidebar. And you see a list of widgets here, and we can pick out what we want to do here. Let's for one of them add some text, just some arbitrary text, some text that we want to add. And we can title this, and we can title it as being my info, and then we can, this is my info. Let's just put some information there, and now this can be coded with HTML. We could say automatically add paragraphs. We could do text coloring. We could put this in a box. We could do just any HTML we want to do here with that, but let's just leave it plain for right now and say save on that. And let's go over and look at our website over in this tab, and here we have my info. Now let's say we want to put a navigation bar over here on the right hand side. That's rather typical to do. And so what we're going to do back here in the dashboard is now under appearances we're going to go to menus. And we can set up all the custom menus we want to, and let's just set up one for side navigation, and let's create the menu. And we could either put in some links and the label. Those could be links on our very own sites, or links from another site if we wanted to do that, or if we wanted to have just some pages already set up here with the top nav bar, we can do that. So let's just do, let's do all of them. So it'll be home, contact, and about, add to menu. And okay, here's the order. But say we don't like the order, just click and drag. Home, about, contact, very good. Let's say save the menu right there. All right, so we've got the menu created. Now how do we get it on the page? Again, we go to widgets, appearance, widgets, click on that, and that will come up in just a moment. And now let's go down to the menu widget, custom menu right here. Let's click that and let's drag that, and we'll just place it right there. We can put a title on here if we want to, navigation. And this will let us choose which of the custom menus we have. We've only got one right now, so we just click that one and we say save. All right, let's go back to our website, and we refresh that and we look at what's happening here. And here we've got our info box and we've got our navigation under that. We could put other nav bars on there and have navigation going to other sites, having navigation within our site, whatever it may be there. And again, the info box here that we created, you can use all the HTML. That's the programming language to be able to change the color of the text, to change the size of the text, to change the way the box looks, to put a border around it, whatever. There's lots of information out there on doing that. And of course, at lionfirepress.com, if you have just a little something you'd like for us to do for you at any time, just let us know, and we'll be happy to do that. So I hope this has been helpful on how to get some information on the right-hand side of the page.